Hey guys, well, it's finally here. I have been able to source the perfect solution for the Stark Varg Street Legal or just headlamp, brake lamp kit from Dirt Scoot Designs. This is custom made and he will be packaging them and selling them, making them generally available. But this is his first generation design here after a little bit of rework, actually second, but always improving. He does great work. So let's go through the kit and the options that I selected here. So for my set, I made sure to get the aluminum switch kit. So this aluminum switch kit allows me to do all the functions, including high beam on and off, right? Without it, I would have to have a separate high beam on and off switch. And then I got my horn, turn signal, and the back turns on and off the system completely. So let's turn it on. So there we go. This is with the system on. On my kit, this is what your brake light looks like. But on my kit, I made sure to also order a license plate adapter, right? So this license plate adapter, they sell vertical options, but this light was also included to be able to illuminate the license plate should I ever be able to get that, right? Turn signals for the handlebars are here, so they'll be mounted on the handlebars, on the ends of the handlebars, right? So turn signal, if we want to go ahead and start seeing them, I will go with the right, so you can see the rear and the front. They are sequential, which is pretty cool. Let me get this out of the way. So we do have the sequential signal. We do have the high beam as well. So when I hit the bottom button, that activates both the yellow and the white. So that's just yellow only, getting that view, which is pretty bright, and then high beam. So very bright. Custom battery pack, 3D printed case that he built and put together. This is a first generation version battery set. He has mentioned that he's going to use updated cells for his next generation, which should be coming out soon. So it'll give you a little bit more longer battery life, of course. But you know, this will do for now. As you can see, there is a charging port also here, which I'm using to charge. I can go ahead and disconnect that, it's not needed. But it has a threaded end to it, right? So you can go ahead and drill a hole through the body somewhere and then poke it through. And it comes with these caps. So this caps will have the nut, right? So you have your nut here that you're going to use. And then you can go ahead and close it up with threaded cap on there, right? So it'll be waterproof. And then you do have the option to mount the headlamps on the actual handlebars, but I wanted to go with the shock mounts. Hopefully it's going to go nicely right underneath the number plate. So these are your shock mount adapters that come with the set. And then I have a rear handbrake. So I've got two banjo adapters here that switches, right? And for front and back, left and right on my handlebars. Those are included. And then this is another cool 3D printed adapter just for spacers in order to accommodate the aluminum switch upgrade. So license plate does have an option for a vertical mount. This one's my horizontal mount, and then horn is included as well, right? So these last two connections are just what go to the banjo switch connectors. So horn is right here, simple, typical horn, but pretty cool setup. So next step will be getting it all installed and see how it looks operationally on the Stark. So thank you.